Mastering English Idioms. Unraveling. Feed someone a line. Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. The phrase is, feed someone a line. Understanding such expressions can be a game-changer in mastering the nuances of English. So, let's get started and decode what it means to feed someone a line together. At first glance, this phrase might conjure images of feeding someone literally. However, in the English language, it carries a metaphorical meaning. To feed someone a line means to deceive or mislead someone by telling them untrue or exaggerated stories. It's often used when someone is trying to convince another person of something that isn't entirely true, usually for personal gain or to impress. For example, if someone tells you a story that seems too good to be true to win your favor or persuade you to do something, they might be feeding you a line. Understanding the context in which this phrase is used can help you grasp its nuance. Feed someone a line is typically used in informal settings. It's a conversational idiom that might not be appropriate for formal or professional scenarios. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. I can't believe I fell for it when he said he was a millionaire. He was just feeding me a line. Be careful when talking to salespeople. Some might try to feed you a line to make a sale. Recognizing when someone is using this phrase can help you navigate conversations with a critical ear, especially when something sounds too persuasive or embellished. To enrich your understanding, it's helpful to know similar expressions. Phrases like, pull the wool over someone's eyes, or give someone a snow job, carry similar meanings, indicating deceit or manipulation through persuasive but false statements. Familiarizing yourself with these expressions can enhance your comprehension and ability to express skepticism or disbelief in English. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, feed someone a line. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful aspect of the English language for you. Remember, understanding idiomatic expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate the cultural nuances of English-speaking environments more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.